Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you uh, 3 secret elements that can unlock hidden free bold text styles in Canva that most people never use. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then just open any designs and then just go to elements and then just type this code like this, these 3 codes. Let's begin with this one like this. Like this, with this code, you will unlock the hidden text elements that has a cute shape like this. It has a cute typography. And then for the second one, like this, you will unlock the fonts that has a cute shape like a bubble like this. And then for the last one, you will unlock the fonts that called like this, that looks like this. It's very unique. The shape is so unique. And okay, all of these bold text elements are 100% free and easy to customize. Just change the color, size, or spacing. And then, okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.